Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare bottle gourd curry in Bengali style. In a pan I have taken 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, in which I will add cumin seeds around 1 teaspoon. Next I will add chopped onions in it. I have taken around 1 cup of chopped onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now I will add ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Mix it well with the onion. Next I will add chopped tomato half cup. Now I will cook it for 2 minutes till the tomato softens. Now one by one I will add all the dry spices. At first I am adding jeera powder 1 teaspoon. Then I'll add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and salt to taste. Saute for 2 minutes. Now I will add Kashmiri mirch powder 1 teaspoon. This gives a very nice red color to the curry. Now I am adding cornstarch water around 2 tablespoons. It helps to make the gravy more thicker and tastier. Next I am adding 1 cup of diced potatoes and mix it well with the bhuna masala. Now I've added slit green chilies around 3 to 4. Once the potatoes are half cooked, I am going to add the chopped bottle gourd. We have to mix it well with the bhuna masala. Next we have to transfer this in a pressure cooker and cook it till 3 whistles. Friends, next I am going to add some fried Mung dal buddies, which gives flavor to the curry. It's excellent. It goes very well with lauki. Lastly, I am going to add some more chopped coriander leaves in it. After 2-3 whistles in the pressure cooker, our recipe is ready. You can serve it with steamed rice and chapatis. It's going to be really good, and garnish with fresh coriander and slit green chilies. So friends, if you like this recipe, then please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.